And hello friends, welcome to Drag Live Show today. This is Sylvia. I believe everybody is looking forward to the new temperature. Yes, today is M7 debut. Okay, let's start. Its M7 background, don't drag it, is an important position in the cruising category, according to the industry analysis. From the data showing on here, in 2022, the global down jacket industry was valued at 157 billion. In 2023, the value is 188 billion. From the 2022 to 2031, it expected the growth of the rate will be 12%, and it will reach the value around 456 billion by the end of 2031. Yes, and according to the core machine for the down jacket production must be the temperate. According to the market demand, temperate machine has been expanding since 2022. The global temperate machine market was approximately 160 million in 2024, and by 2031, this value will increase by over 450 million. Yes, and the temperate machine is an important part of the drag product and is a main machine for improving the quality and efficiency in the production. Now just over our plan for the serving temperate machine. Meanwhile, first on the high end, middle end, the low end. In the future, with the natural development of the market supply and the future improvement of the brand mind, the products will focus on the high end and the terminal products. Let's fewer models bring faster delivery. Drag will focus on the middle to high-end temperate machine products in the future, and updated product value will offset customers' concerns in prices. The development of the new products should be based on the customer's needs. Before introducing our new temperate, let's think back. What are the current issues with the using temperate machines? At last year M9 product launch, we point out the thread breaking was the biggest problem, and the reducing thread breaking is also the basic requirement for customers to using temperate machines. We can easily find that the normal temperate machines on the market, if customers want to reduce the rate of the thread breaking, they must reduce the speed. But low speed accepted to customers? Obviously not. Reducing the speed will lead to the slow production, long line time, and the low cost recovery efficiency. However, the current temperate machine on the market are proved to the high speed breakage and higher maintenance wasting cost. Unlike these so used as a flight head, factories often do not have the spare machines for replacing. Once the temperate machine faults, they can only wait for the repairs. It costs around 20 meters or several hours. Why do thread breaking always exist and not solved? They due to the temperate machine structural design and special requirements of the down jacket sewing. But thread breaking is mainly caused by the following three points. First, wearing the top thread, and second, improper timing of thread hooking, and the second is needle shot not synchronized. Therefore, we need faster and more stable temperate machines. Last year, we launched the M9 high-end temperate machine. This year, we will bring you our new machine for middle end. Therefore, today we're honored to bring you our high-speed temperate machine, Drag 7 M7. It can stably sense that the maximum speed of the RPM 3,600 RPM, bringing 10% efficiency improvement and making an extra 20 pieces in one day. Now you may have a question how M7 machine can achieve the sewing thread without breaking. M7 has the same core technology as M9, 0-degree thread channels technology and 0-second synchronization technology. Just one different apart from the rotating head. M7 is a lightweight version of the M9. M7 is a high performance. Next, let's introduce these two core technologies to you. The first technology, as I mentioned about, called 0-degree thread channels technology. One is the first lossless crossing the thread. The upper thread can be guaranteed without damage. And second is precise control of the threads, threading of the feeding system to ensure that threading tension in the most perfect situation. Zero-thread channel technology, testing more than 30 different materials. The final selection of the nano-coated materials resulting in 70% reducing friction and it's a 30 reducing of the wear of the wire during the high-speed sliding. Cooperated with the perfect coordination of the picking, threading, and feeding mechanicals, accurately control of the tightness change in the movement of the stitches, resulting 20% reduction in the surface thread and tension during the high speed and stable sewing. Yes, you can see the video. And the next is the second core technology. It's called 0-second synchronization technology. PID closed-loop algorithm, yes, and through the PID to ensure that the needle and the hook can be highly synchronized and accurately the maximum speed to 3,006 RPM, yes, and by the feeding drive system achieves the instant response in the feeding. The M7 needle and the hook are driven by two motors, which makes the speed faster, punchline stronger, and noisy looser. Combined with the PID on the same platform as M9, 208 agreement calculations as synchronizations increased by 20%, ensures the optimal timing of the wire hooking during the forming of the rotor short loop. Adopting a higher power feeding system, the feeding process is like starting a train with stronger statements, exploding power increasing by 30%, improved by 20%, and starting the speed. This is the configuration table of M7 and other competitors, which list 6 data compassions, including sewing range, sewing speed, skip, and break rate, electronic pressure feed, table installation time, and laser power. From this table, it can be seen that our M7 much better than other competitors and also our previous generation products in the all aspect data. You may say that there is also words of the drag company and its actual performance is not certain. Today in here, we also will show you some games But first, let's show the video how fast the high speed is. Yes, it's Turing challenge racing compression. It's the speed. And the next video. It's Turing challenge extreme working condition, and we have ever seen the M7 speed and how stable it can be seen. And later we will show you the forklift, the stable, and now it's the Turing challenge broken needle without running. And we will show you the live stream here examination. Yes, here on my back here have the two machines. One is the M7 and one is the 100A. You can see. And we first to show you the needle damage and no need to switch the needle bar, and it can also work. Okay, and let's technical to adjust. Here maybe showing the two tables here, and we combine it together to damage the needle. Here it's easily to see the needle is already damaged here. Can you see it clearly? Yes, and let's go on the next step to the Turing. Yes, wait some minutes. To waste time when the Turing, we are timing the M7. Later we will see the time here. Yes, we just need to trick the needle, but don't need to switch the needle bar. So it's very convenient to do the next. Okay, when start, we also will start the timing. Help me to. Okay, you say the timing is the start. Wait a minute. Yes, it's starting. It's around 1 meter. is left 2 lines. Okay, stop. Yes, you can see the timing here is 1 minute and 28 seconds. And next we change to this model, so 108. We also think the timing will start together. Yes, okay. Yes, start. Also, you can compare the noise is different. Yes, still left 2 lines and the time is approximately. Okay, stop. Okay, you can see the different timing, and this is faster than the previous 100 and 108. Okay, let's go on the next examinant. 搿种俺们那个忘记了。
这个刹车要动。
Here just testing the steady of the way using the forklift to start. Okay, start. Yes, we just say that it's stable, even to lift it up, and maybe later we sit down. It's no influence the working, you see here, and this steering is around 3 meters, and maybe we back to the main screen. Okay, we're back. Let's focus still doing the steering. Yes, we also can see the video about the high speed and the different. Yes, wait a minute. High high-speed, stable continuous line with a 10% improvement of the efficiency based on an 8-hour calculator. The average daily production of the liquors increased 20 pieces with an annual profit increased around USD 105,100. From the above mini games, you can see the extreme highly efficiency and revenue improvement by the M7. Yes, and let's go on. This year, we also will company stopped the research and developing manufacture and sales of the low-end temperature machines. Yes, around maybe still wait for 1 meter, so we back the video to see again. Wait a minute, there is a whole video. 我走这儿。After this video finish, also our forklift also finishes the experiment. Yes, 1,500. Okay, let's back to the experiment, please. Yes, you can see here's the temperature is steady. Yes, you can see here our fingers can through it. Okay, let's we have another type. Let me show you together. Here are the many lines you can choose. The different. Okay, let's back to the. It's really successful explanation. Let's back to the main screen. Yes, we already come to the end, and M7 is a high-speed temperature machine, making an extra 20 pieces in 1 day. If you use the high-end performance M9, but high efficiency, also consider M7. Okay, today is finished. That's all. Thank you for all listening.